Do I look more tan? Or is it just the lighting? I don't know. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Mitzel, for those of you who do not know. Today's video is gonna be something more natural side. Are we surprised? We are not. But today I want to go back to color, and I saw a TikTok of Addison Rae. I'm gonna leave a screenshot I took where she has this teal eyeliner, and I thought it would be great for spring if you are not very comfortable with color, or if you want to play with color but don't want like your whole eye blue. Really like the looks, so today that's what I'm trying to recreate. I don't know exactly for what is that eyeliner, but yeah. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can keep seeing this lovely face on your YouTube. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so let's get started. I already did my skincare off camera. Okay, so for primer, I'm actually going to use this new product I just recently bought. It's not new to the market, but it's new to me. It's the MILANI Soft Focus Glow Complexion Enhancer. Something similar to the products I like, which it's going to give more of a glowy finish to my face. So let's see how this looks. It's kind of peeling off. It's kind of peeling off. I don't know if you can see, but it's peeling off my skin. Alright, be back. Alright, take two. I am applying it a bit. I don't know if it had like a weird reaction with my sunscreen, but I don't know. Right now it's not like peeling off or anything, so I don't know. Gotta keep trying this product. Oh no, it's peeling off again. What the? Okay, so this is gonna be a no for today. So that didn't work out, so I'm just gonna use the MAC Strobe Cream in Goldlite. I already know I love this product, so just gonna apply it. Yeah, I feel this one so much more hydrating than the other one. The other one, it kind of dried instantly. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Flower Beauty Light Illusion foundation. I love how this one makes my skin look. I think it's too dark, but right now I'm looking very tan, and I don't know why. Is it the new lotion I put on today? I don't know. Just gonna apply it with a brush. Oh, I'm looking so yellow. I hope when I'm editing this video I can fix that. I'm gonna blend it out with my sponge now. For concealer, I'm gonna use the KOSAS Revealer Concealer. I think that's what it's called. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this concealer, apply 2 dots, bridge of my nose and chin, and blend it out with a beauty blender. Now I'm gonna set my under eyes and kind of my T-zone with the KOSAS Cloud Set powder in Breezy. And again, I'm just gonna set my under eyes and anywhere I think I need a bit of powder. And I love this powder because it's super lightweight. It doesn't really mattify the skin. It just sets the skin, and you can still see a little bit of glow through the powder. And I just love it. I'm actually gonna apply a little bit here because it looks too shiny. Alright, for bronzer, I also have a new product. Again, not new to the market, but new to me. It's the MILANI Baked Bronzer in the shade 04. I don't know why I've never tried these bronzers, but I'm actually gonna try it because it looks pretty glowy, and I don't know if I want to go super glowy for this look. A bit of that and see how it looks. Alright, looks nice. That is a nice bronzer. Wow. Kind of reminds me of my Wet n Wild bronzer that I love. Color Icon Striptease. bronzer. It's similar to that. I think this one's a bit more warm tone. Actually, look at it. It's not super shimmery, but it's also not like super matte. Great for spring and summer. All right. Oh my god, that looks so pretty. I like this bronzer. I'm liking this bronzer. For highlighter, again, another product for MILANI. This is the Baked Highlighter in Champagne d'Oro. This is what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. I always find it hard to find a good highlighter from the drugstore, so I want to see if this one is a good one, because we all know what happened with the e.l.f. one. No bueno, no bueno. I'm gonna take the Moda brush, the Moda Glow brush. That's intense. There was a lighter shade, but I thought it was too pink for me. I like more of a gold highlighter. Not gonna lie, it's not a bad highlighter. It's not glittery or anything. It's very nice. It's a very nice highlighter. For blush, I'm gonna use an old favorite. It's the NUDESTIX Nudies All Over Face color in the shade In the Nude. I love this color. I wanted to go with something more neutral because the eyes are still gonna have that pop of color. So I wanted to go a little bit more natural on the cheek. Just gonna place some in the back of my hand and take it with a brush. This is a very neutral shade. It's not too peach or too pink. I think it's a great shade, like in between peach and pink. Looks very natural, very sun-kissed. Also formula of the NUDESTIX blushes, especially from the Nudies. I am obsessed, but there are not many shades that really like caught my eye. Only this one because it's super neutral. I like to use this blush in days I don't know what blush to wear. So it's been a while since I've worn it. I love. Alright, so now it's time for eyebrows, and as you know, I always do eyebrows off camera, but I'm gonna share with you what products I'm gonna use. So first I'm gonna take the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax and fill in any sparse areas with the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in medium brown. So I'm gonna do that off camera and be right back. Alright, so we're back. I already primed my eyes. I use, of course, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Amplifying Eye Primer. I should know that by heart by now. My favorite primer if you have super oily eyelids like me. This is your new best friend. So for the eyes, actually what I saw from the look, it looks like she doesn't have any eyeshadow, but I'm just gonna apply a little, and I'm actually gonna use this palette. It's from Wet n Wild. It's the color Icon 5-pan shadow palette in My Lucky Charm. I'm actually gonna use this because I'm gonna use this to make the eyeliner pop a little, but I want to add some color to my crease and lid. So I'm going to take this shade and just apply it all over my crease and lid. Just go in there. I'm also going to apply that shade to my lower lash line so it's not, doesn't look naked. Just going to do that. Alright, so for the eyeliner, I'm actually gonna use this Wet n Wild color Icon multi-stick in the shade Not So Calm Waters. And again, I don't know why I do this to myself, but I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner. So I'm first gonna kind of place it where I want the eyeliner to be, but I'm not gonna take it all the way because I don't want to make it too thick. So that's how I'm gonna start. And then taking like an angled brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of the color, really get that color in there. Start creating a wing. I don't want to make it thick, so that's why I'm being very careful. And that looks pretty good. We're gonna do this side. Of course, this side comes out better. Okay. That not bad. Now I'm just gonna take product into the brush and bring it in. Alright, not bad. Ooh, I'm nervous. Let me see how they did it. Alright, so I also extended it in here. I think that looks good. Okay, and this is just me. You can leave it like this and just curl your lashes and be done with it. But I want to add a little bit more dimension, so I'm actually going to add this shimmer shade, this blue shimmer shade, just for it to like look a little bit more extra. But you can leave it like this. Now I'm going to take the same highlighter I used in my face and apply a little bit in the inner corner and my brow bone. Okay, I'm going to do lashes off camera. Again, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Air Volume Mascara for my upper lashes, and for my lower lashes, of course, Glossier Lash Stick. So gonna do that and be right back. All right, now time for lips. I'm gonna line my lips using the KKW lip liner in 90s style. It's just a mini size I got from, I think it was her I was gonna say Hollywood holiday collection with Ulta. So I'm gonna line my lips with this one because in the picture she is wearing a bright pink lips, but I don't look good in bright pink, so I'm gonna use pink but not bright pink. So this is more of a pinky brownish color, but I do want to add a little bit of pink, so I'm actually going to take this Dior Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm in the shade 001 Pink. Just add a little bit of this. Look, it's still pink, but not as pink. Now to set my face, I'm gonna use this, which is new to me. It's the e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. I'm just gonna add just a bit. Smells nice. And fan myself. I'm gonna take a little bit of the KOSAS powder just to kind of mattify places I don't want super dewy. Right, and we are done. All right, so this is the finished look. It was very fun to create. I am very proud of myself with that wing eyeliner. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below what other types of videos you want to see from moi. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. I'm trying to upload every Wednesday and Saturday. You're gonna also follow me on my social medias, which I always leave somewhere here and also in the description box below. Every product I mentioned today is gonna be listed in the description box below. And yeah, I hope you're having an amazing day, amazing night, or amazing morning. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!